Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. In the past 24 hours, Bitcoin's price movement has been a roller coaster, rising from 121,700 to 123,200, dipping back to 121,600, reaching as high as 124,100, and then returning near 121,400. At the time of recording, price sits around 122,000, right between the two horizontal levels of 123,200 and 121,000, currently just below the 21 and 50 hourly EMAs. The quick recovery from recent lows and sustained levels above yesterday's average at 121,500 suggests that short-term upward potential remains on the table. On the 30-minute chart, we can observe structural divergence signals forming in the wave trend indicator, while the hourly chart continues to show positive momentum. Money flow and momentum readings have remained aligned since the green mark on September 30th. Looking at the heat maps, the one-day map continues to highlight 121,200 as an active area of focus, with new zones forming above current price over the last 12 hours, creating a concentrated area near 124,500. The three-day map outlines 120,000 below and 126,300 above as the next key reference points. Meanwhile, the one-week map presents a balanced view, both sides showing interest, with a slightly stronger cluster near 120,400. Meanwhile, spot ETF inflows continue steadily. Yesterday closed with approximately 440 million in positive inflows, largely driven by BlackRock's participants contributing over 426 million, while others maintained smaller allocations or waited on the sidelines. In broader context, the well-known 4-year cycle comparison chart, shared again by the account APSK32, shows that the current 2025 cycle, marked in orange, still lacks the kind of steep acceleration seen in earlier cycles like 2017 or 2021. If a similar pattern unfolds in the fourth quarter, projections from these historical overlays could extend into ranges between 150,000 and 290,000. Additionally, analysts from VanEck have suggested that amid gold's ongoing rise, Bitcoin could potentially reach 644,000 over time, noting its increasing role as a hedge against traditional markets, though they also emphasize that gold's rally may need to cool before such a move develops. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time chart chatter. Thank you for leaving a comment for the algorithm, it really helps. Click the like button if you got value from this video, and subscribe with the notification bell turned on to stay updated. And see you in the next one.